Hello viewers, are you experiencing App Store loading problem in iPhone? Don't worry, in this tutorial I'll show you how to fix it. So let's see the step. For solving this problem, first of all just swipe down notification bar and then just turn on flight mode for 1 minute. After 1 minute, now turn off flight mode. Now go to settings. Scroll down. Now click on screen time option. Scroll down. Go to content privacy and restriction option. Here just disable this option. Now go back to main settings and find general option. Now go to general option. Scroll down and go to transfer or reset iPhone option. Now click on reset. Click on reset all settings. Enter your phone passcode. Click on reset all settings again and reset your phone. After following all steps, now open App Store and check your problem solved successfully. So thanks for watching. Stay connected for more updates.